How to get Dhgate promo codes available here on your browser. For this, open your browser and search for Dhgate promo codes, and then you will see first website, that is Fortune Recommends, and you have to open this website on your browser. Now on the home page you will see there is a lot of offers like 40% off, 6% off, 60% off on Dhgate. So now the main thing is you simply have to search out the best available and suitable promo codes for your discount. Some of the QR code or promo may not be available or may not work, but at the end you simply have to find them. And on the right you can see the expiry date of every promo codes here, and this website is trusted, so you can easily trust it. Simply to get a promo code or to see it, you have to click on this red option called show code and simply copy this code from here and then continue on the Dhgate website. You can read all the details regarding this promo code available here on the promo code available tab here. So this is how you can actually find available promo codes for any type of website. You simply have to search it on this Fortune Recommend website. This was the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and then please subscribe to the channel for watching such amazing videos, reviews and updates like this.